Zoom, zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom in to Thailand, zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom in to Thailand, passport in my suitcase packed, ready to take off a Richie Mac. Travel OG, you already know that when you come here, you don't wanna ever go back. The food is crazy and the girls on fire, got me wildin' out when I be in Pattaya. Travel OG is here to guide you, that's true, you really gotta be a subscriber. Zoom Tribe, the heart of the channel. He the travel Kevin Sam.
Alright, you guys, one of the subscribers asked, where is a good place to take a woman on a date in Pattaya? A nice place, not just some raunchy place. You want to take someplace good, someplace where you guys can kind of like really get to know each other, someplace where you guys can take it to the next level, you dig? Now, the first place I would take my date, I'd go to Astor Massage. At the Astor Thai Massage and Spa, they offer resort-level facilities at an affordable price, making it the perfect destination for a couple's getaway. They also offer a wide range of services, from their nail salon to facials, a variety of massage techniques, and invigorating body scrubs. Now, Astor Massage is a little off the beaten path, which is kind of cool, but it's right off a major street, and it's easy to find once you find your landmarks. All right, you guys, I can't make this up. All the ladies are single. Single, all single ladies.
All the single ladies, all the single ladies.
All single ladies. You want old man? You want young man? What man you want? You want old man, young man?
Old man.
Old man. What I also like about Astor Massage is that it's tucked away in the cut. That makes it a little more private for you and your date. The staff is super friendly, the place is extremely clean, and it doesn't have that feeling you might get when you go to some of the other smaller massage spots. Treat yourself to a spa day, surprise your date with a pampering, unexpected massage, and make sure to tell them Zoom sent you so you can get the discount. Sorry guys, no happy endings at Astor Massage. At least I don't think it is. And after all that rubbing and tugging and smoothing out and massaging, you're gonna want to be hungry. Now let's take a look inside of Harlan. Harlan's is one of the best restaurants here in Pattaya. It's very good. I personally know the chef. He puts love into all of his food. And the cool part about this, you guys, is that when you order dinner from Harlan's, each week they have a different menu. And what's included in the dinner, you get an appetizer and a dessert. So you get dinner, appetizer, dessert, all for the same price. Drinks are extra.
So Richie, I wanted to show you the final product today. And what it was organic pork chop that has been slow cooked at a low temperature, and then it's butter burned. So inside it creates the meat juicy and tender. I've surrounded it with some rice flour noodles from Korea. We have some kimchi, apple pear, and I've topped it with a glaze on top, which is a honey glaze, and I've put a few other things in it. I don't want to tell you because this is my secret. And it's an organic egg on top. So when you eat it, you're gonna have some really, really cool textures, taste, and everything will hopefully make you a very, very happy Richie Mac.
Hey. Harlan laid it out. Normally you pick one of 4 options for dinner. This dude served us all 4, and guess what? I wasn't even mad at him. I had the organic pork chop, the salmon, Elle had the gumbo, and Harlan ended things off with a deli-style pastrami sandwich. Can you say takeaway in Thai?
ห่อกลับบ้านค่ะ
Oh, shit. I'm gonna tell you another thing about Thailand, man. This is kind of weird, and it might be considered personal, but I ain't never smelled a stinky Thai person. I don't care if they working in the fields, on the golf course, caddies, employees. I have never, ever smelled a musty Thai person. I don't know what the heck they doing. I don't know how they don't get it, because they be working their butt off. Because I know I'll be stinking sometimes. And that's just going on a walk. What up, brother? You still here? I saw you at the Rolling Loud. You were here. You in the video?
Here a while, yeah. I got a girl out here and everything.
Ah, you stayed? You never left?
I left a little bit to the visa situation. But yeah, I'm out here now.
Ah,
All thanks to you. Your thing, I was like, hey, let me come out here. I love it. Beautiful.
did I exaggerate about anything?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just 100% fact. Best place I've been a lot of places. I've traveled with the military. After the fact, I've been a lot of places. Coming here, I was like, home. I feel like home to me.
You guys have to understand, man, my biggest reward is when people come out here and enjoy themselves and know that everything I said was 100%, 1,000% above the real deal Holyfield. What up, Dave?
I'm zooming in Thailand, Mr. Richie Mack. And the reason I'm out here,
Hey.
my traditional Isan girl.
You signed? And now you happy.
Her profile picture was very simple, but then when I met her, it was like,
Kaboom! Guess who stepped in the room?
I got to the airport at 5 a.m. on Sunday. She spent the night at the airport waiting on me. She spent the night at the airport waiting on me.
Wow.
The whole night waiting.
Where in the States can you get a woman to wait for you all night at the airport? Thailand, you can get away with all kinds of. You can see this woman there. You see this? Look how he kicked. Dude got on the Liz Claiborne. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, only in Thailand. Hey, hey, Big John's birthday. Hey, hey. Burger King, you look like Mr. Burger King right now.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.
Zoom Fest 2024. This is one of the places we're going to be eating at. Harlan, you ready for Zoom Fest 2024?
Absolutely.
Y'all know what it is. Zoom Fest 2024. Get down here at Harlan's. The service is great. The food is great. The people are great. And we winning over here. You dig? Zoom Fest 2024.